Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Random Videos on YouTube. Today, I am going to be reviewing the Ottocast wireless CarPlay that is used in my Volvo XC40 Recharge. In the box, you will find a fancy small device no bigger than a matchbox. You will also find instructions and a box with two USB cables. USB-A to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C that we will use for our Volvo XC40. The setup process was also really simple. All you have to do is connect the Ottocast to your USB-C of your car. Press Accept on the prompt and then go to your phone Bluetooth and find the connection to the newly found device. Do the pairing when the numbers match. The CarPlay is ready and on your screen. The Apple CarPlay seems to be very responsive and has all the functionality. When entering the car, you get a prompt to connect to the Apple CarPlay, accept it, and it should be good to go. I have noticed sometimes it comes up with a screen saying to connect even though you are connected, and I believe this is a problem from the Volvo software which should be fixed in the next update. To fix the issue, unplug and replug and wait for it to boot up. Some people have reported that the CarPlay is sluggish or unresponsive. The past 2 weeks I have used it, I haven't noticed any issues. I like how it works and I can use the wireless charging of our XC40, which is great. If you're interested in purchasing the Ottocast wireless CarPlay adapter, I have left the link to the description. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.